Hey gang, Vespa here. I wanted to give you a quick rundown on correlation in Microsoft Excel. Well, we know we can graph things pretty easily in Excel, and it's particularly advantageous when we want to look at a relationship between two variables. I'm just going to highlight my data, and I go to Insert, and over here in Charts, I'm going to insert a scatter plot. So we can see there's a pretty strong relationship between club head speed and distance. So in other words, the faster I swing the club, the further I hit the ball, and that makes nice intuitive sense to us. Now if I want to start to analyze how strong that relationship is, one of the things we've learned we wanted to look at is the correlation coefficient. Okay, and I can calculate that very easily. I just say equals to tell Excel I want to use a command, and I start typing correlation. You'll see the command correl comes up there. It's highlighted in blue. Now, because that's highlighted, I can autocomplete it by just hitting tab, and it automatically throws that tab in and opens parentheses. Otherwise, I can just type that in fully myself. It says array 1 and array 2 it takes as arguments. So I just go up here and I highlight my x's as array 1. And I say comma, and I highlight my y's as array 2. Close my parentheses and hit enter, and that is my Pearson linear correlation coefficient right there, 0.93869, etc. That's fairly close to 1, right? That's a very strong correlation coefficient, which means there's a strong linear relationship, and we can see that in the graph over here. In the next video, in the next section, I'm going to show you then how to actually execute the regression and get a model or a line of best fit here that we can use to make predictions.